In this video, I'll show you the adjustment layers, which can make some different subtle changes to your image. So this file, I'm just showing you 4 different examples of some dot images that I came up with. So in the image in the upper left-hand corner, I used various paint splatter brushes, and then I used the shape tool, the gradient fill. Here you saw me create this one in the previous video. Here I used the poster filter, and this was a variety of concentric circles using the shape tool as well as a paint splatter and some different brushes. Here this was hand drawn using the tablet, and I was just kind of doodling, and I wanted it to look sort of really loose and organic. But let's say I wanted to sort of change this a little bit. I'm actually going to go back to this image. So if you go down to the Create New Filler Adjustment layer, which looks like the little black and white cookie, you can change some different things without actually permanently adjusting the layers below it. So one of the more simple things is brightness and contrast, and this is something you might want to do for your photos once we actually start taking photos. So you can increase, I'm decreasing contrast now, or increase the contrast, which changes your color slightly, changing the brightness. Okay. You can also click here if you have the adjustment panel open above your layers panel. You can try clicking here. It does the same exact thing as what I just did with the little black and white cookie. And you can scooch things in, increase your darks. Okay, that gives you a little bit more control. You can also play with hue and saturation, so I can change the overall color of my design. You could actually create a document where you include 4 of the same image, or even 2 or 3, and have them all be slightly different based on how you adjust the hue and saturation. You can increase the saturation, make it super saturated and bright, or decrease it so it's almost black and white. What else can you do? Let's say you want to bring out a particular color, you want it to be really bright pink. You know, you can play with that. So those are your adjustments, and these are called non-destructive edits, because as you can see, I can just turn them off, I can delete them, and my image is still intact in its original state. So when you start to actually edit photographs, this is what you will be using, either your adjustments panel or by clicking down here to get to some of those edits to fix your images. Okay? Simple as that. So I could, let's see, I'll just do hue saturation. So this will affect my whole image here. Change everything up a little bit. Okay? And those are your adjustment layers. Thanks for watching.